Okay, this video was supposed to go up on Sunday, but a power outage delayed me until today. So here it is. My name is Amy too, and as you can see, after Hurricane Dorian went through, we got our road is
a river here.
Yeah. Yeah,
that new shale that Daryl put in is holding pretty good though.
Yeah,
it's only a little bit lighter. Just watch out, there's some deep spots.
Yeah, like a year or two ago, that was a waterfall.
Yeah, washed right out.
Yeah,
that wasn't even a hurricane. You know that?
Yeah. But yep, this is part of the road.
Yeah, we're leak testing our rubber boots right now.
Yeah. All the dirt is getting washed away. The only thing that's left here is the rocks, which might be a good thing, but it might, you know.
Well, Daryl's got his pile of shale there to fix it up.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look bad. I think you can get through here with a car when it clears up.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to dig that ditch out though, because it's silted right up. It's actually higher. The bottom of the ditch is actually higher than the road.
Yeah.
So the water doesn't go on into the ditch; it goes on the road instead.
Yeah. The leaves of the trees suffered quite a bit. You can see there are quite a few torn up leaves here. There were more back there, like before that washed out part there. But yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty soft and silky too, just to let you know.
Just so that I don't get surprised and fall in.
Yeah, well, your boots are going to get sucked down into it a little bit.
Yeah, this part.
Worse up ahead.
Yeah.
Where that little tree is blocking the road.
Yeah. And it's a bit cold out here, so yeah.
But this is really minor damage. There's really nothing.
Yeah, it's mostly water and and torn up leaves.
The river over the banks down there is worse, where I videoed this morning.
Yeah.
And that's just, they're going to have to bring in more road stuff. That might be a blessing for us. Hey, there's more road material washed out of there and dropped out on the side of the road where we collect it for other stuff.
Yeah. It's like when, oh, yeah, there is a tree that's down there.
Yeah, just a little one. Cherry tree. Which is why we've got our saws and stuff here. We're planning to cut it up and get it out of the way.
Look at all this water.
Take the pieces we like. Yeah, there's a lot of silt in this, so it's really, really mucky.
Yeah.
In fact, that pile there in the middle, you sink right into it.
Well, I'm going to test that. Yeah. Whoa.
I told you.
Just get this on video.
Quicksand.
Yeah. Whoa, it's
Unfortunately, it's not very deep.
Yeah, but it tried to keep me in there. That stuff's soft. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Quite a lot of water.
Yep.
Cherry tree.
Yeah, I'm going to get to work at it because I can cut some nice wood off of that.
Hey, you see, it's been uprooted.
Yeah, it's not very big, but the thing is, it's cherry, and cherries, even small like this, I can make some nice stuff out of that.
Yeah.
For me, it's valuable. I'm gonna get to work.
And it looks like there are a few ripe cherries on it.
There's a lot of ripe cherries on it.
Yeah.
I'm sad about that because they're gonna kind of end up on the side of the road here, and that's gonna be it for them.
So Dad's at work here, cutting up cherry trees.
Yeah, I might want some of this yet too, eh?
Yeah.
Go pretty skinny. The stuff for cutting a finial that doesn't have to be very thick. But I just work on this and get it out of the way. But the main log here is good for me.
Yeah.
Because that I can make all kinds of good stuff out of.
But yeah. Somebody would have to be, they would have to really want to get through here if they drove past this.
Yeah, well the road up ahead isn't any worse, so
well, yeah,
I'm just trying
but
to
this
see.
part here, it's like you got that extremely soft sand there, that silt.
Yeah, there's a good chance to get a car stuck in that.
Yeah, like it's so soft, but it's easy to get into, but hard to get out of.
Trying to hold the tools on the water
It's
here.
like,
Until you're done your video, so you can do a bit too. Let's see how much of this we grab.
Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha. Yeah.
And cut it there. So we got two good trunks to go home with us.
Mm-hmm.
They'll be heavy enough. If we didn't do it, Daryl would have done this when he come through.
Mm-hmm.
We wouldn't have been quite so neat and tidy about it.
Yeah.
He'd have been just interested in getting it out of the way. It's hard to hang on to this stuff. How's your video time?
7 minutes and 30 seconds.
So I got another 2.5 minutes to work by myself. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, come on. I don't want to tear it all up.
There we go.
Get that off to the side. Some of that I still want. It's thick enough.
Yeah.
I can probably go down to. Well, if I was collecting hair stick stuff off there, I could go down to like that big around. Probably can't see that, but okay. Time to get up at the end.
So yeah.
Saw my log off.
And then we get to haul it back later, huh?
Well, one of us will get to haul this one back. I think it's too big to. Well, we might have to take it together.
Yeah. What about the other one?
Yeah, I want the other one too. It's pretty big too. On the bright side, the way this means the cut opens up as I go here. We're not in the water anymore. I wish I brought a bigger saw. See, if it was bigger than this, it would have been worth dragging a chainsaw down here.
Yeah.
This really isn't worth it. It's not big enough, really. I don't want to get weird about it either.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Mom thought this morning I was planning to bring this into the house. Yeah, I got this. Didn't make those racks for nothing. I got racks outside for this, where they can slowly dry.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, you know what? I think we're going to be carrying this one between the two of us.
Yeah.
Because I think it's too heavy to carry with just one person. And continue to saw off some of this stuff.
Yeah. We're probably going to end up cutting this one up and putting it to the side until we get back here, right?
Yeah, I'm going to
okay.
saw a bit off of this one.
We just got over 10 minutes.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. That was the aftermath of Hurricane Dorian. We're on the edge of it, so it didn't do that much damage. But anyway.